What's up, guys? I'm back. So today what we're gonna do, because I messed up, I noticed I don't have enough of what I need in a photo. So I have to add it in the photo that I've already taken. How do I do that, you ask? I'm gonna show you, and you're gonna love it because it's so helpful when you run out of stuff to put on set and you forget to buy enough of the product that you need. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this photo so you can see. I'm gonna give you 2 ways to do it today as well, how to get this on here. First, I open up the photo. It's a raw image as I would typically do, I'll say that. This is a photo of Chelsea, who I haven't known very long, but she was an amazing model. She's beautiful, and I just felt like this would be the perfect time to show you how to do it with this photo. Here it is. So as always, when you open up your photo, so you don't damage that back photo, you press Command or Control J, and it'll make a copy of that background or base photo that you have on there. Notice in this background, while it's black, you can't see the background. It's just not full enough for me. Now, this is what I mean when I say I want to add more to it. One of those ways to do that is to use that clone stamp tool. You guessed it, the clone stamp tool. What it's called? Let me highlight and see. That is what it's called. You can press S as a shortcut to get to it. And what you'll do is you'll figure out where you want to copy and where you want more of it. I want more here. I want more here, and I might want some more here. Now, I may even fill in this dark spot here with some more of this greenery. So I'm going to press Alt or Option, depending on the computer you have, and I'm going to select these areas and make it bigger. I'm going to make my opacity, let's try it at 100%, see what happens. Copying this all along here, copying from here, and I'm going to bring it here. So you can see where the actual cross or plus sign, whatever you want to call it, is marked. It'll show you exactly where it's copying the information from. And you can kind of look at that and watch both sides as you go. When you're out of space, you can copy again. Copy here so it doesn't ruin my path. Go down. I can go across and pick that part up, bring it around. I might have ruined some flowers. It's okay. I want more over here. I'm going to copy this in. I'm going to bring it down. And I'm just filling this all in. And it looks so much better already. And we're not bland anymore. We're colorful. We look good. I'm going to copy from here because I can do that now. It exists. And I'm going to bring it right back in this spot. Right. And now I need more bright colors on this side. Same exact thing. I'm going to copy from here. And bring it on around. Yes. Yes. These. From here. Yes. 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 Let's keep it going. Yes. Do we love this? Yes. So much more color in here. I'm gonna start from here and bring some more. Do it again. Copy from here and start on this part, the bowl below. And it couldn't be easier. I mean, it really can't. Right? So I've got that in here, right? Next up, zoom in here. I'm gonna make another layer, right? I'm gonna copy that. Just so I keep track and I don't damage that, I want to make an additional layer. What I like to do is Shift, Option or Alt, Command and or Control, and E all together. And it just copies that whole layer of everything that you just did and all the work. That way, if I do something ridiculous, right, like open up a brush and then paint across, if I just want to hide and see what I had before, it's still there. And below that, I can see the changes I've made here by clicking the eyeball. Before, just the background. After it, when I put it on there. And the accident I made post-hand. Right? I can delete that, and I'll make that copy again. And we can keep working. The second step, or the second method to actually do any of those copies, is a little bit more. It's a little bit more work, but nonetheless, we got this, right? I like to take the pen tool. It's another accurate way of getting stuff in here, right? I'm going to take the pen tool, press P to get it, and I'm just gonna click around the area that I want to steal. Of course, you can just kind of like not be groovy and just take a much fewer steps, but the more clicks, the more accurate your actual outline is going to be. Once you get them all in there, you have to get to a point where you connect all the dots. You have to connect to the very final part. Inside the selection, I can right click and I can make selection. Get a feather radius just so you get a little bit of the outside and it's not stiff. You can do 0.1 for all I care. New selection, press OK. See the crawling ants again to let you know that you've made your selection. From here, while you have this layer selected, you hold Command J to copy it. And what it does is it just pulls that selection that you had there, and by pressing Command or Control and T, it makes the selection in that area. Now that you have the pointer there because of that, you can pull this around, that copy of whatever it is, and place it where you need it. In this case, I can make a copy here, I can turn it, I can right click it again while it's selected like this with Command T, and I can warp it, which means I can drag it, make it bigger, I can curve this thing pretty much if I wanted to. But keep in mind, it's just not going to look quite as good once you start manipulating it a little bit too much, right? So press escape here, I do it again, I grab it and click it. I'm just going to turn it a little sideways, and that's going to be it. Adding, subtracting, it's all fun stuff. So those are the two ways I just showed you to get it done here. So that first one was the pen tool by pressing P. That's how you can get to that. And that last one, and before that actually, was the clone stamp tool by pressing S. It allowed you to copy that. If you like that idea, if that worked for you for any of your upcoming projects, again, comment and let me know. If you don't like this video, if there's something I could add, subtract in there, if there's anything wrong, please let me know. If you liked it enough to press the like button, do so with a good thumbs up. You can subscribe and share. It helps me tremendously, and it helps me continue this on and keep showing you guys new things. I thank you. We thank you. Goodbye.